Microsoft Excel Lab number 2, key concept number 8, chart styles, part 4. I promise this will be the last video for this concept. Okay, so there's our worksheet. And when we left off last time, what we did was we did the switch row column. Do you remember that? And we wanted to have the months on the bottom. So now we will go into next we will specify the chart title and finish the chart. So we're going to come over here to our more. Remember this, more. We're going to choose start chart style number 18. 10, 18, that one. So we just changed the chart style to 18. Now we're going to change the chart layout to 9. Over here, more, 3, 6, 9. There we go. And then I'm going to replace the placeholders. Remember the placeholders, which are these? And I will be right back. Okay, so as you can see, in the vertical placeholder I put sales. In the title placeholder I put sales forecast. And in the horizontal placeholder I put months. So now we're going to go over changing the data source. So I come up here, I click select data source, and in the selected data source dialog box, which is right here, you can change the chart data range, switch the row and column orientation, and add, edit, and remove specific data series. You will remove the computer and merchandise data series. So we're going to remove the computer and merchandise data series. So we'll simply just come here, computer, remove, merchandise, remove. As simple as that. Now we're just going to click OK, and there we go. That is how you can change the data source. So which we just did, the columns representing the merchandise and computer series were removed from the chart along with the legend labels. See, over here it's gone, and over here it's gone as well. Now real quick, we'll go over changing the chart type. So to change the chart type, we come over here to change chart type, and we have a bunch of different types we could do. So let's try one like this. Click OK. There. Let's change one more. We'll go to let's just do this one for fun. OK. There we go. That's how you would change the chart type. So last, we'll just change it to the one that the book asked for. We're going to change it to the bar in 3D. Cluster bar in 3D. That one right there. Click OK. There we go. And up here at the top, for each different type, if it was a line bar, you would have different ones. But up here is the bar chart layout and the bar chart styles. So we changed our chart from a column to lines, and then we did it to bars. So now with the bar chart, we have the months on the y-axis and the sales on the x-axis. So as you can see, it is very easy to change the chart type and format after the data series are specified. The same data can be displayed in many different ways depending upon the emphasis you want the chart to make. A different chart style can be selected. That's an example of an area chart, example of a stacked 3D column chart. In each chart you pick, the chart layouts will change and the chart styles will change to that specific chart style. I'm sorry, not chart style, but chart type. And an example of my favorite, the radar chart. Once again, as you look, the chart layout changed for the radar chart and the chart styles change for the radar chart. So each type of chart has its own specific chart layouts and chart styles. I'm going to finish up the document real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so there's the finished chart that the book asks us for, but we're going to also change where the legend is. So we're going to go to layout, we're going to go to legend, and we're going to choose the bottom. There we go. So this is Charles Pisco. See you in class.